We'll open this week with a look at the dock entranceway, where big changes will occur. With a new railing in place and levelling complete, Willow Sod Farms will arrive to turf the area. The work will start around the corner in the area of the flagpole. It will quickly result in substantial coverage. By week's end, as Hewson complete this section of railings, it's all looking really good. Connections have been a bit of a theme this week, with work around the transformer building and the corner of the passenger terminal, resulting in the introduction of security cameras. Sticking with connections, we saw the lamp posts noted last week positioned on the north finger dock. Within a day or two, the light heads were in place. Wiring work was clearly done as well around the ramp. Besides the tasks already mentioned, quite a lot of time this week was spent pulling cable. Which, apparently, can be quite entertaining. We can't leave the subject of connections without looking at the tremendous amount of work that's going into the heated sidewalk element installation. No review of the week would be complete without a look at what's happening on the north side of the dock. Besides the levelling and rolling taking place, the emphasis seems to be on housekeeping. But now it's time to turn to one of the bigger stories of the week, with the return of Kehoe Marine to the project. Some time will be spent on Thursday in movement of materiel and stores. By Friday, these concrete anchors have gone. Are they in the water, awaiting turbidity curtains? Friday sees the team at work on the side of the dock in use. It seems likely that the heavy fenders currently in place are being repositioned. Or possibly simply being more securely reattached. Whatever the case, the arrival of the ferry brings a temporary halt to proceedings. With access once again available, it seems increasingly likely that the issue is one of more secure attachment. But perhaps next week we'll have an opportunity to assess again, and I hope you'll join me. Thanks this week for watching.